Hey guys, what's up? It's Karl here, back with another episode, and I really hope everyone is doing okay, staying safe. I know with the crazy things going on in the world right now, COVID-19, it's self-isolation time, so I know a lot of us are stuck at home, so I'm really hoping this video brings a tad bit of sunshine to your life. Hang in there, be safe, we'll all get through this together, and hope to continue the regular swing of things very shortly. As you can see from the title of this video, it is my first unboxing haul of 2020. We got a couple products in right before the crazy lockdowns had started. I will be hooking one of you up as always with one of the items, but I did want to get to one of my giveaways from my little Best Buy partnership not too long ago. We've got two of these gift cards, so from that video, here's the YouTube winner, and over on IG, you'll see that up this way as well. Congrats, I won't even ship these out. I'll leave the little code that you can enter onto Best Buy online. Order them, stay safe, you don't have to leave your house, and I don't have to risk sending these out via the mail. And for this episode, you've got a chance to win something. Just be sure to sub to the channel, of course, leave a comment on your favorite item, and instead of shipping that item out, once I've selected the winner, I will just send over an Amazon gift card for the corresponding amount, just helping to do my part in this whole self-isolation thing. I hope you're all staying home, of course, watching me on YouTube, and just staying safe. Let's get to our first item to unbox. If you do recall, back in February, I went on a snowboarding trip. I was rocking the Huawei Watch GT2. It's been one of my favorite Android smartwatches, and I actually have the second here with the leather band. I'm gonna unbox this one, kind of compare them. And you can see the stainless steel model is very similar to the sport model. They both have the 46mm form factor. Obviously, we've got the leather band, so it's a bit more luxe, but if you are working out, if you are in water or do sweat a lot, I would recommend the rubber. I personally have a rubber band on my Omega Seamaster. Yeah, it's orange, that's a no-brainer. But the stainless steel finish on the sides, I'm such a big fan of that. It actually does remind me of my personal timepiece. I think I am leaning more towards the stainless version. If I could create a custom band, you know, the direction that I go in, maybe I could swap it with a NATO or something unique. And if you are in the Huawei ecosystem and you're looking to pair those, I just grabbed the Buds 3. And inside we have a chiclet style container that's very standard. It's circular this time around, and we have the Huawei labeling on the back with a hint of chrome. That should be for wireless charging, but you've also got USB-C on the bottom, and the headphones themselves, very reminiscent of OG AirPods or AirPods 2s. They've got the very long stems and they don't have any of the rubber tips. So they aren't noise canceling, but they still fit comfortably in my ears. You can't change them out, so you'll have to try them out to see if you actually do like them or they do fit properly in your ears. And to complete the Huawei trifecta, we've got the Mate 30 Pro, and I know this is an older device. It came out mid-2019, but it is finally officially coming to Canada in around a month. And out of the box, here's the device. Nothing new to look at, but still one of the better looking devices, I think, from last year. It kind of shifts color from blue to purple to a bit of silver, depending how you hold it up to the light. We've got the quad camera setup, and I think it still holds up really well to the brand new S20 Ultra, to be honest. But if you are eyeing this device, it is the first in Canada that doesn't have Google Play services. So if you're looking to download apps, you have to use Huawei's App Gallery. You don't have the expansive app ecosystem like you may have been used to on Google, but Huawei is spending a ton of money on App Gallery. They're providing developers a ton of money to make sure those apps do work properly. And you can only expect it to get better over time. And if you're a real Huawei diehard, they've got really great hardware. I think you just have to bear with them through this transition. Speaking of other Android options, we've got two new flagships, both from Oppo. I did my own unboxing of the Oppo Find X2 Pro. This is the device that competes and I think even beats the S20 Ultra. It has a Quad HD display and can maintain a 120 Hz refresh rate. They also, though, have the Reno 3 Pro. It's a cheaper device, but still packs a lot of the same hardware. And out of the box, here it is, and you can see some of the specs. 44 megapixel dual punch hole camera. It's got a 64 megapixel quad cam, 108 megapixel images, a 6.4 inch display, and on the back, it's one of the best looking colorways that I've seen. It kind of shifts between bluish to green. We've got that chrome effect. Very nice and different from most smartphones we kind of see these days. So yeah, these are the 4 Android devices that I've kind of got in the past month. I added on the S20 Ultra on the side. We've got the 2 Oppo devices and of course the Mate 30 Pro, an old phone, but I guess new for Canada. Next off, we've got the 17-inch LG Gram that I've been rocking in between here and the new office. You can see the big form factor up top. You've got the charging kit on the side, but the big thing about the Gram, or I guess the little thing, is the weight. It comes in at under 3 pounds for a 17-inch form factor. We do sacrifice the touchscreen, which I'm totally okay with. The battery life has kind of been the winner for me. They do have an internal big spec upgrade from last year. We've got the 10th gen Intel Core chipsets. How does Dave do this? Thankfully, it is shockproof. No, this thing is light. Don't try that at home. And the last thing in today's unboxing, we've got a pair of headphones from Sennheiser. These are the Momentum True Wireless 2s. If you're looking for AirPods alternatives, you want still very high quality headphones, check these out. The charging case of the headphones is actually made out of a fabric finish, and I'm a fan of that, but for the actual quality of the headphones, they're probably the best sounding in-ear wireless headphones. The bass quality has been really good, and they do have a smart touch feature, which you can change to either pause the song, skip to the next. You'll just have to select that on your either iOS or Android device. Anyways, that has been my very first unboxing haul of 2020, and just honestly hoping we can all stay safe, keep isolated. I know, as weird as that sounds, we can get through this together. Correspond with me here on YouTube, on social, on Insta. You can talk to all of your friends through the internet. We're lucky enough to be at that advantage. And I really hope this video brought a bit of a smile to your face in maybe not so happy times. Catch the rest of you in one of my next episodes or vlogs, and peace. Stay safe.